Hi everyone, I'm Swati. Welcome back to my channel. So this time I'm going to share you a DIY cathedral window in budget-friendly way. Cathedral window refers to beautiful arches and shapes in a window. It was originated from traditional European churches window, but these days they are also being used in architectures, interiors, and also as a piece of art. It comes in various shapes and sizes, due to which I am also very fond of it. So I decided to make some for myself. Let's go and check this out. Now here I have stick jute rope on borders to give a basic texture to it. This method is called distressing to get antique and rustic look. Now making a green wreath with artificial stem in circular shape and fixing the leaves around it. And a bow to go with it. Make sure to make a hook at back to hang. Now binding wreath and bow in center of our cathedral window. I'm going to put cathedral window here. Isn't it lovely? Now second one I'm making with some plywood sticks and straws. First cut the plywoods to get a long rectangular shape and polish it with some wood stain. Sizes vary according to the wall space you have. Making the shape with the help of glue gun. These are some straws. I'm going to fix it in grid pattern. It's so easy. All I used is glue gun. Did you like it? Hope you did. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you again.